Thank you so much. You guys help me pull through life and stuff. So yeah, I've gotten 0 haters, which is awesome. So yeah. Okay. So I don't know what I should say, but Snickers and Charlotte are doing fine. But I have to tell you something. My brother, he accidentally locked Charlotte inside of his room for a whole weekend when we were like away with our cousins and like on vacation and stuff. So she's fine now, but